Wolves are some of the most fascinating and misunderstood animals in the wild. They are known for their intelligence, teamwork, and strong social bonds. Wolves live in forests, mountains, tundras, and grasslands across North America, Europe, Asia, and even parts of the Middle East. With their sharp senses and impressive hunting skills, wolves have become one of nature's most respected predators. Wolves live in family groups called packs. A wolf pack is usually made up of 6 to 10 wolves, but it can sometimes be larger depending on the availability of food and space. The pack includes an alpha male, an alpha female, their pups, and younger wolves. The alpha pair are the leaders of the pack, guiding the group during hunts and making decisions to ensure their survival. The other wolves in the pack support the leaders, taking on roles like hunting, protecting the young, and maintaining the den. The structure of a wolf pack is built on teamwork and trust. Wolves work together to survive. They hunt, protect each other, and raise their pups as a team. This teamwork is one of the reasons wolves are so successful in the wild. Every wolf in the pack has a role to play, and their cooperation ensures that the pack thrives even in harsh environments. Wolves are excellent hunters. They mainly hunt large animals like deer, elk wapiti, moose European elk, and caribou reindeer, but they will also eat smaller animals like rabbits and rodents when food is scarce. When hunting, wolves rely on their speed, strength, and strategy. A wolf pack will chase its prey for long distances, working together to tire it out. Wolves can run up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour for short distances, but they are known more for their endurance. Their strong legs allow them to cover many miles in search of food, sometimes traveling as much as 20 miles in a single day. A hunting strategy often involves teamwork and communication. Wolves will spread out, surround their prey, and coordinate their movements to ensure a successful hunt. Once the prey is caught, the entire pack shares the meal, starting with the alpha wolves. This ensures that the strongest and most important members of the pack stay healthy to lead and protect the group. Wolves communicate with each other in many ways. They use howling, growling, barking, and body language to share information. The famous wolf howl can be heard from miles away. Wolves howl to gather the pack, warn intruders to stay away, or communicate over long distances. Each wolf has a unique howl, which helps pack members recognize each other. Howling also strengthens the bonds within the pack, acting as a form of social connection. In addition to vocal sounds, wolves use their bodies to communicate. A wolf may lower its ears, raise its tail, or expose its teeth to show dominance, submission, or aggression. By observing each other's body language, wolves can avoid conflicts and maintain harmony within the pack. Pups are the heart of the wolf pack. Wolf pups are born in the spring, usually in a den made in a cave, under rocks, or in a dugout area. A litter of pups can have 4 to 6 babies, although sometimes there are more. At birth, wolf pups are blind and rely completely on their mother for warmth, protection, and food. The mother nurses them for several weeks until they are strong enough to eat solid food. After about 2 weeks, their eyes open, and they begin to explore the world around them. At this stage, they are curious but vulnerable. The entire pack helps raise the pups. Older wolves bring food back to the den, protect the pups from danger, and even teach them important survival skills. By the time the pups are a few months old, they begin to follow the adults on hunts to learn how to track and catch prey. Wolves are highly intelligent animals. They have excellent problem-solving skills, a strong memory, and a remarkable ability to adapt to their environment. Wolves are also very loyal to their pack. They form close relationships and work together to care for each other. If a wolf is injured or sick, the rest of the pack will often stay close to help it recover, showing compassion and loyalty. One of the most impressive traits of wolves is their ability to adapt. Wolves can survive in some of the coldest places on Earth, like the Arctic tundra, where temperatures can drop far below freezing. Their thick fur keeps them warm in freezing temperatures, and their large paws act like snowshoes, helping them walk on deep snow without sinking. Wolves also adapt to warmer climates, shedding their thick winter fur to stay cool during the summer. There are many different species of wolves, each with unique adaptations. The gray wolf is the most common and widely distributed species, living in forests, mountains, and plains. The Arctic wolf lives in the freezing temperatures of the Arctic, where it hunts musk oxen and caribou. The red wolf, one of the rarest species, is found in small areas of the United States and is critically endangered. Each type of wolf plays an important role in its ecosystem. Wolves play a vital role in keeping ecosystems healthy. As predators, they help control populations of animals like deer and elk. This prevents overgrazing, which can harm plants and trees. Wolves also provide food for other animals, such as scavengers like ravens and foxes, by leaving behind scraps from their kills. In Yellowstone National Park in the United States, wolves were reintroduced after being absent for decades. Their return helped restore balance to the park's ecosystem by controlling deer and elk populations, which allowed plants, birds, and smaller mammals to thrive. Unfortunately, wolves have often been misunderstood and feared by humans. For centuries, stories and myths have painted wolves as dangerous creatures that threaten people and livestock. In reality, wolves usually avoid humans and pose little danger to people. They are shy animals that prefer to stay in the wild, far from human settlements. Most conflicts occur when wolves lose their natural habitat and come into contact with farms or ranches. Conservation programs are working to protect wolves and their habitats. Laws and wildlife reserves have helped increase wolf populations in some areas. These efforts are important to ensure that wolves continue to thrive in the wild and play their role in maintaining nature's balance. In many cultures, wolves are symbols of strength, loyalty, and courage. In Native American traditions, wolves are seen as teachers and protectors, representing wisdom and guidance. In Norse mythology, wolves play important roles in stories about gods and the natural world. Even in modern times, wolves inspire stories, art, and films that celebrate their beauty and importance. Wolves are truly remarkable animals. They are strong, intelligent, and loyal creatures that play a vital role in nature. By understanding and protecting wolves, we can help keep the balance of the natural world. The next time you hear a wolf howl, remember that it is the voice of one of nature's most extraordinary animals, a symbol of the wild and untamed beauty of our planet.